Hey, do you need a much quicker way and much simpler way to pull up your data in your systems? L2L has an amazing feature in our reports section. You're going to go into reports. You can go into a Pareto chart, either time or occurrence based. You're going to click on that. You're going to set your parameters. Let's say we want to go look at all downtime. So we're going to pull up our code reds. We're going to choose our downtime occurrences. We're going to say we want it for the last 90 days. If you've ever pulled up a Pareto chart or tried to get data out of your system, you're going to be blown away about what I'm about to show you. You simply come over, display results. There's your Pareto chart. If you want to go in and see what's in that next level, you simply put your cursor over the top, click on it, and it drills down into the next level. Now I'm into my area, and I can see that my number one line is line 3 here. So I'm going to put my cursor over the top, click on that, and now I drill into the machines that are on line 3. And I can see that the robot has had 74 instances. So just that fast, we've drilled down to our number one occurrence issue on the shop floor. And you can really see how fast and easy that is to pull up that data. So if you'd like to see more about how L2L reports works, how we capture that data, all of that stuff, go to L2L.com, sign up for a free demo, and we'll show you all of the really nice features in L2L that will help you out. Follow us on all our social media platforms, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, and go check out all the rest of these videos over on YouTube. Okay, thanks for joining me. Eric Whitley signing out. See ya.